BougeRV Solar Branch Connectors Y connector in pair MMF+FFM for parallel connection between solar panels. Solar Y branch connectors 1 male to 2 FEMALE, M French franc, and 1 female to 2 MALE, FMM, compatible with 14 Arabin fluorines, 10 Arabin fluorines solar connectors. IP67 Waterproof, a waterproof ring-on connection, is perfect to seal out water and dust to prevent corrosion. The stable self-locking system which is easy to lock and open. High security, CN/TUV certified PPO material, good material makes sure the transmission in a stable situation. Contact material, copper, silver plated. Protection class 2 temperature range, -40, 190 withstanding voltage, 1000 VDC, TUV, 600 V, out. Flame class, UL94V0 or UL945VI. BougeRV provides an 18-month warranty and friendly customer service. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.